Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off hide notifications, badges, and personal focus on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. Let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the focus, choose the personal. Then in the personal focus, choose the options under the notifications. Then in the notifications options, find the hide notification badges, and as you will see, there's a switch button on the right side of it, and all you have to do is just turn it on to enable. And it is now enabled. When the hide notification badges is enabled, the badges of silence apps on your home screen, your other apps will continue to be badged. And if you want to disable, just turn again the switch button to turn off. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off hide notification badges and personal focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, can comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!